guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today's video, I will finish some of my unfinished saving challenges, which is I think a lot, but first of all, I will finish my 52 weeks challenge using my December cash tips from my work. This is a centralized cash tips. So if you're new to my channel, what I do to my tips is I'll save it on my 52 weeks challenge for us to have a travel fund that we can use whenever we want to travel, or this year or next year, or just a fund that we can use whenever we want to. So basically I roll here two color dice. So whatever the dice lands on, I will save that amount, and if the dice roll pink, I will roll one die. I will roll the die twice and save that amount. So let's check. So let's start. So let's see if I owe here something. I think I don't. Yeah, so for envelope 48, let's see how much I need to save here. But I don't have much change. But let's see. So 30 and 20, it's 50. So what I'm going to do is I write down the amount here, so that because I don't have change, I don't want to find some change. So $50, and I need to grab my calculator. Okay, now let's do 310 minus 50. So it's 360. I'll do it like this. So envelope 49. Let's roll it. So red 10 and roll the dice twice. Let's use 2 so it will just roll once. So 2 and 6 is 8. So $18. Let's write down $18 here. Sorry I am still in my uniform because it's just my break time for 2 hours. So 18. Did I do it again? Hold on. 310 minus 50 minus 18. So it's 242. Let's do. So 30 and 20, it's 50 again, minus 50. So this is $50. And 50, envelope 51, sorry. $20 minus 20. And last one, envelope 52, yay! So double pink, let's redo it again. I don't want to do it. So 40 plus 40, 80. So 80 minus 80. So 92 left. So what's left here is $92. Yay, I finished it. I finished everything. Congratulations to me. Yay. So let's calculate again. 80 plus 50 plus 18 plus 50 plus 20. So I have 310. So $92 left. And I'll just make a note here. So I will just grab it, everything, and what's left here, I will use it for the next saving challenges. Or maybe I will do the same. So I just put it here. Yay! If I will unstop it on my next following videos. So just wait for that. Okay, this is done. And put it aside. And the next one is save 2024 in 2024. So this is a monthly saving challenge that I do. I only do it when I have extra budget, the leftover one. But last month, I have some leftover here. My mom just left it with this one because my mom now is on holiday, long vacation. I don't know when she will want to come back here, but at the moment she's in the Philippines. She avoided the colds in Hong Kong because she can't take it. Okay, so it's 8. Just a cents here, just leave it. Don't let your wallet empty. Okay, so yeah. And this one, put it on the side. This is our wallet that when we go to groceries and going to wet market. So just put aside. Groceries card. So what I'm going to do here is I'll finish everything in here so that I can start the new one with the same with from Nita is also saving 2025 in 2025. So she releases a new one and I already purchased it. So let's count this. So what I'm going to do, let's do like this. So I have here, where is it? Okay, this one. I'll grab this, okay? And this one, whatever the total here, I'll minus 2024. Oh, so 2024 this. By the way, what's left from our budget last month is 680. Okay, 680. Let's put it here first. And this one, 680. Oh, 80, 90, 91. So 691. So the total amount of this one is, of course, 2024. So it's 1,400. So let's see how much I can save in here. So I want to finish these boxes. Let's see how much. I will calculate it and I will make it a fast forward video. So just hang on. Good. Mhm. 394. Let's see if I can add another dollar. So plus 25 plus 15 plus 15 plus 23. So 472. So let's add 472. 472 and give me 100. I don't know if I'll calculate it right, but anyway, whatever I save here, even if not exactly 2024, 2024, I will save it. I will reallocate it later and I will be happy. But sometimes my calculation is not right. I always had a mistake and this is not my channel if I don't make a mistake. So remember that. So for now, I will color the rest of it up cam. So maybe I just mark here. And I will recount it off cam so that I will not make the mistake. I will try my best not to. So whatever left is in here. Let's see. 25. 25, 50, 65. So no. 71, 80. No, I just finished this. Sorry. I want to finish this too, but do you think I can finish it? Whatever. So this one is from Christy Budgets, and I'll try my best. I need the dice here. So I rolled 2 dice, and I finished here last time, September. I will try, okay? I'll try my best. So it's 10. From here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $14. Let's do 14 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 23 plus 4 and 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 28 plus 7. 1, 2, hold on, yeah. Wait a second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's color? That color is a public holiday or statutory holiday in Hong Kong. So if I land on this one, I will double the amount. So 14. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29. 133. I still have money. Again. So 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 again. Oops. 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17. So plus 17. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 24. 183. Whoa. Come on. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30. Plus 30. So 213. Let's see. Yeah, 213. I want to finish this, so I left December. So for now, I will just do it until here, 213. So I still have $6 here. Last roll? What do you think? Let's see. Sorry. Last roll. Come on. So 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, I left 6. So I owe here $1. I owe $1. I wrote down here. I owe you $1. Okay, so let's put it on the envelope. So where is it? So I didn't finish it today, but I will try my best. Here. You think I can finish it? Why not, right? I will have $92 here left. How much? Let's see. How much I left here? I forgot already. So I think 92, 97. So let's get 90 from here. 90. Hold on, hold on. I grab everything here. and here. So far, I have here how much? 6, 7, 8, 889. Supposed to be 90. Oh, still have $2 there. So 91. 891. Let's finish this. I want to finish this. So I have here how much? I forgot already. Again. So 20 plus, where's my 52? There. Okay, 80 plus 20 plus 50 plus 18 plus 50 minus 310. So 92. I have $92 here. So what I'm going to do, give me $2. Oh, come on. I have change here, $92. So give me $92 and give me 10. Okay. That money I get from my 52 weeks challenge, the change. So this one I have 92. So let's do 92 minus, let's roll again this one. I really want to finish it. Okay. December 6. So I owe minus 1 because I owe 1. So no more the I owe you. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. So 91 minus 13. So money left is 78. So roll again. So 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 23. Minus 23. Okay, let's do like this. 13 plus 23. So 36. Last roll maybe. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 28 minus. So 5. 1, 2, 3. So no more. So let's calculate again. 13 plus 23 plus 28 equals, so 64 minus 91. So 27. So give me $27 for a change. $27, 6, 7. So this money is extra from my tips. So what I'm going to do about this one is I will keep it and I will use it to other saving challenges. So this challenge is done. Yay! Ring the bell. Ring the bell. I force it, right? I forced to finish it. So how much I save here? So I save here 956. So again, this saving challenge that I finished, this one is a calendar one. It's from Christy Budgets. I don't know if she will release a new one, but if she release, I will purchase again so that to help her too. But for now, I have one saving challenges done and wait for the reallocation of all the completed saving challenges. I will do it soon. But for now, leave it like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're confused on what I'm doing, sorry about that. This is me. Always made a mistake, but still having fun saving money. Thank you for all who watching and subscribe to my channel. I'm on my 400 now and road to 600. Thank you so much. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Bye. Make saving a habit. Bye. God bless. Love ya. Bye.